Tide's not in far enough, eh?
Range of water features and decorative landscaping products in New Zealand.
Hurry up. You ready? Kisha, are you ready? Where are the paddles? Get out of the paddling, eh? Hurry up and paddle, fatty. You okay, son?
Yeah. I'm fine not paddling.
I bet you are, aren't you?
I'm not.
I bet you are fine not. Hey, stop trying to flip us out. Huh? This one that pull into is looking straight into the sun.
Are we back on the place I was starting from?
Yep.
Want to get out?
Yep.
Okay, so we're still in the water.
Quick, come up to your dam.
This.
Yep. So, it's that one there. Okay. You guys have fun here? Oh, it's nice not having you on the back. Whoa, way nice. Trying to spot a big fish. Maybe a kingy cruising along. Stingrays or eagle rays in the shallows. It's only this deep. That deep. That was at a rock. Here, at the rocks. Jeez, my paddling muscles are so dormant. But unco, especially with a speed blade, which I should be used to. Into the wind time. Work paddling into the wind in the barge. good thing I haven't got a rudder. These bloody rocks. New Zealand rocks. Waves breaking on a little shelf here. Good trevally fishing spot. I will be burling up in here soon on an incoming tide. Nice little shelf. It's not a K1. Go on, son. Get your shoes or flip-flops, whatever they were. Let's go. Very good, Kisa. I have to come a bit closer to you. Timing is more important than power. Put your hands further apart, Kisa. Yeah, good boy. Well done. Further apart. Further apart. Good boy in time. Timing is the most important thing. Good boy. Timing is way more important than power. Power is important too. Good boy, keep it up. Don't look at me, just concentrate. Yeah, timing, timing. There we go. Good boy. Well done. Well done, Kisa. Come on, concentrate on your timing. There you go. Careful how you're holding your paddle, Kisa. Good boy. Careful how you're holding your paddle. Catch the water like a spoon. Remember, your paddle's a spoon. Catch the water like a spoonie. Flip it around. Make sure you're catching it like a spoon. Yep. Good boy. Oh, that's a nice backdrop. Easy, big son. Let these fellas go. But, well, yeah, now you know what it feels like, eh, for Bella? Huh? Now you know what it feels like for Bella. You're doing all the work, you reckon, eh? Bloody trick. Okay, let's go. Go paddle along the shoreline, eh? Go. Yeah. Hey. Well done, Kisa. Good boy. Good boy. Timing, eh? Timing is way more important than power. Keep concentrating. Good boy. I'll have to send this video to your mum. You're so good. Chit-chit. We've been arguing all the way down here, eh? Kisa. I thought teamwork makes the dream work.
Not now.
Oh, okay. You guys have been arguing all the way. If you argue, you'll go slower. When something is hard, you got to work together, or you only make it harder for yourself. Teamwork makes the dream work. Remember that. Let's go together. Together. Together first. Good boys. Whoa, that's a nice spot. The house up there, eh? Pretty sweet.